Welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know, I am Danae. If you are new here, how you doing? And if you are old, welcome back. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get notified of all the dope content that I post by hitting that little bell. Today we are doing another Broke and Bougie video about Adidas. So this past weekend I had the pleasure of going to the outlets in Wisconsin with Boo, and I picked up some great stuff and I decided to do a haul. I had been in the market for some Adidas shoes for a while, so I was like, what better time than to get them at the outlets. So I spent approximately $140, and I got a lot of great stuff that I wanted to show you guys and then give you some tips on how to shop on a budget. So let's get right to it. The first thing I got were 3 Adidas t-shirts. I feel like they're good additions to work out in. I can wear them with like some jeans or some shorts in the summertime. So I got the traditional Adidas logo shirts that look like this. I got them in 3 different colors. They were on sale for $6.98 a piece. So they are regularly $22. I got them for $7. So I got the red and black one. I got a navy blue and white one. So a navy blue and white. And then I also got another one that I just realized has a red spot on the back, and I'm highly pissed. But I'm gonna use a Tide to Go pen and see if that can get it out. And I got this one with like a aqua Adidas lettering. So I really like that one. They had one that was like green, gold, and like blue, but unfortunately they didn't have that one in the right size. So those are regularly priced at $22. I also got a pullover. I don't know the regular price of this. I seen it and I was just like, oh, this is so cute. And I picked it up and it looks like this. It's just like pocket in the front, like it's a hoodie. It's light, but it still feels kind of thick. And it came out to be $12.98. So once I got to the register, I asked for the price and he told me it was $12 and I was sold. So this came with me. And I also got some Adidas jogging pants. So they are the taper-legged Adidas joggers. Now, ain't no shame in my game. The way that this society is going nowadays, men and women gonna be wearing the same clothes. So I got these in men's because I didn't want leggings. I wanted like an actual jogging pant. And I got them with the taper fit so they can be a little tight at the ankle. So this is the ankle, and then it has the zippers on the ankle. Just like, you know, a basic black jogging pants with the Adidas logo at the knee. So I got these. They were on sale for $19.98, and they are regularly priced at $45. So I felt like that was a steal. So the last 2 items that I got were shoes. The first pair, I thought they would be cute to like work out in or like run errands. Everyday shoes. They are really comfortable. I got these pink and white Galaxy 3s, I believe they're called. So this is the shoe. And I got them in a 9. And I think that these are really cute. I can work out in these. The memory foam on the inside is really or the Ortho Light footbed. That's kind of what sold me, because it takes me forever to find shoes that like not only fit but are comfortable, and I wouldn't mind walking in them. Especially now that festival season is coming up and I do have tickets to a lot of festivals. I thought that these would be perfect. They're cute. They don't look like my Asics, which is like orthopedic shoes. So As you can see, they have the ortho light inside. I decided to get these. These were on sale for $29. The box shows $50, but they were on sale for $29 when I went in. And then I also got one other pair of shoes. I have been in the market for like black Adidas or like some cute Adidas. I bought Brill some for Christmas that were really, really cute. They were maroon. So I just wanted some cute shoes. So I got these. They are, I guess, regularly priced $85. They were on sale for $50, and I figured like same thing, like I could wear these with a lot more with jeans and stuff. And I actually think they're cute. So I got these. These here. These are the Cloud Walkers, or the Cloud something. Cloud Foam Ultimate, and they are like a whitish, white off-white kind of color, and they have the memory foam on the inside, which I can definitely appreciate. So I got two pair of shoes, a pair of jogging pants, a pullover, and 3 t-shirts, all for $140. I think Jabril walked out and he paid $140 for like a t-shirt and 2 hoodies. That's not what you call shopping smart, honey. So one tip that I do have, whenever you go into the outlets, some things, although it is an outlet store, some things are not like priced as you would expect an outlet to be, because you always expect the outlet to be a little bit cheaper. Make sure you do your research. So it may be a little much, but when I'm in a store, I always search or Google through Retail Me Not, coupons.com. I'm looking for coupons where I can save anything, because if I find an Adidas coupon, it's still an Adidas store, I can save some more money. So make sure that you are looking for coupons, as well as knowing the value of stuff before you go in. So if it's a hoodie that's like on sale for $65 and you like, oh, it's on sale though, and I can get online and find that hoodie for $45 somewhere else, you are not getting a deal. You can get that hoodie from $45 for somewhere else. So make sure you keep checking in with me. I will be doing more videos like this, because the summertime I always end up buying too much. So I might as well give you guys some tips and tricks on how to save money as well. Also, one other thing, if you are going into stores like Target, Walmart, etc., make sure that you are looking at their websites themselves and price matching. I price match against Target all the time, because Target's items in store are a lot higher. This tripod that I'm using right now was $35 in store, but it was on their website for like $15. You just go show customer service and they'll price match. So make sure you are shopping smart and not just shopping, because coins are hard to come by. We want to make sure we save them. So I am Danae. I will see you guys in the next video. Toodles.